Hello, thank you for joining me for the next session of the Night Walk painting. It's later than you think. Do what you enjoy. Those words keep rolling over my mind over the last few weeks, and I've been thinking about how important it is to do the work that's really interesting to me, and painting is something that I really enjoy. And after a long day of laundry work, cleaning the house, a full day at work, it's hard to have energy to do what you really enjoy. But I think it's important just to kind of reset, and just to be able to say something with painting allows me to kind of put things right, or kind of put things at peace. And I think that's important in life. And today I'm going to be reinforcing some of the color, the highlights in the painting, kind of wrapping things up now, and kind of redefining some of the lines that need to be done on the painting. I have this kind of peachy salmon color sky down here, so I'm trying to give a little bit more highlights as the clouds are going up, just to kind of bring up some more light in here, and that's what I'm working on at the moment. Just kind of mixing that color, that alizarin crimson, some yellow ochre, and a little bit of white, titanium white, just to kind of give that some more highlight as that color is going up. Could be a little darker, so I'm going to add a little bit more crimson. As the clouds are getting higher, that highlight is a little duller, a little darker than it is down in this area. This is a good time to add the darker color to the clouds as well, just on this top part. The whole idea is to bring this color over so it's kind of covering the full sky there. This technique is called scubbling. That kind of painting in the clouds like that. It's a kind of a scubbling in of the clouds. I've also thought about using a jar to create a circular paint area around the highlights of the light. So I think I'm going to try that now. Just like a glass jar, like a mason jar, or a smaller mason jar for the size. So basically what I'm doing is painting around the edge of this jar. And then I'll just put it right onto the canvas. I think this is probably the same size that will fit this kind of highlight. And just I'm going to try to center it there. May not work, but worth a try. Just something that kind of came to me and wanted to try it out. I can always live with it for a few days, and if it's not what I want, I'll just paint it out. This is the great thing about painting. For the most part, you're in control and you can do whatever you want to do. And that's really the fun part of painting. And what brings me joy is just being able to kind of be creative and work with paint and color and line. So now I'm going to try a larger jar here with this larger light. These are the car lights coming through. So I'll have to live with that, but well, we'll see if it needs to be changed or not. But I kind of like it so far.